Namaste, and thank you so much for your purchase of all three body oils. I'm very, very grateful. So thank you for making the investment both in us and also in yourself. And I hope that you love them. So the three are very different: detox, muscle soothe, relax. They're very different. So the detox is lovely. It's really fresh and zesty, and you can use it just to give yourself an uplift and to cleanse and clear the system. Great for cellulite or just getting things moving in general. So good for the organs of detoxification, just to get things moving. Then muscle soothe is nourishing and nurturing and warming and gingery, so it's great for digestion, it's great for aches and pains, it's great for the blood, great for the heart. Ginger is good for so many things. So do use it for all of those things. Remember that if somebody has a tummy ache, it's perfect. Chest condition, perfect. So just keep using it every day, and because it's preventative as well as curative. And then relax is the really, really soothing, relaxing one. So it's lovely to use for yoga, for shavasana, but also just for pre-sleep to kind of calm you and help you to use as part of a ritual. Could be in the bath, could be after the bath, or in the shower or after the shower. Any of them can be used in the bath or after the bath, in the shower, after the shower. I have all three in the shower with me, and I use that as a daily check-in of what do I need this morning? How's the body feeling this morning? Do I need a bit of zesty uplift? Do I need a bit of a hug from nature, which is what muscle soothe feels like? Or do I really need calming? And with the yogandha relax in the shower, it's amazing. It just feels so luxuriant, and the skin, water's drying in the shower. So if you're putting oil on, it just really nourishes the skin. It stops the drying action of the water on your skin. So all of them can be used as massage oils, shower oils, bath oils, face oils. I would use, not detox on my face so much. I would tend to use, if I want to use something really nourishing. So both muscle soothe and relax are more nourishing. Detoxing is more zesting, it's more purgative or astringent. So the other two, relax and muscle soothe, I would more use on my face. Muscle soothe rarely, maybe if I'm feeling a little bit like I need grounding. But it's the relax that I use every night on my face. Without exception, every night I'll use relax on my face. I actually use it to take my eye makeup off, and I use it to nourish my face every night. So I'll rub my face with it every night, and I might just, if I have a bit more time, go on all over, because it's fabulous for the skin. And if you can give yourself a little all over self-abhyanga, self-massage, it's brilliant for helping you sleep. Self-massage is brilliant for both helping you sleep, but also nourishing the body, brightening the skin. It has a billion benefits, boosting the immune system. So if you can use them for that, that would be fantastic. But just the main thing is to use them regularly. Get them into your day a few times a day, and you'll feel their beautiful benefits. And the beautiful thing is they have so many benefits that you'll never even know about, that I'll never even know about, but they have those benefits. So you'll be getting all of those. So use them as much as you can, and I hope you love them. And please, if you can, leave us a review and let us know what you think. Thank you so much. Namaste.